So what's up guys, in this video we are gonna take a look at these TWS i7 earbuds. So I don't really do many unboxings on this channel, but let me know how it works out and any feedbacks that you will give will be really appreciated. So with that being said, let's get started. So guys, this is the retail box. This looks really identical to the original Apple box. Considering the price of $10, the packaging is really nice. On the outside of the box shows some features and colors available. So let's get right inside. So first we see is the charging case itself wrapped in a plastic cover. Let's put that aside for now. We have a cardboard piece to stay the Airpods in place and a micro USB cable and a quick start guide. So these are quite bigger than the original Airpods. There is 2 LED lights and a power button in the charging case. So in the back we have the charging port. The bottom of the case is flat so you can stand it upright on your desk. The charging case is having a battery capacity of 950 mAh. So inside we find 2 earbuds with a battery capacity of 65 mAh each. These look exactly like the Airpods except for the button which we used to put these in the pairing mode. So these are larger than the Airpods. On the bottom we can see the charging mode. Unlike the Airpods, they are compatible with any device which is Bluetooth connectivity, and that means you could use it with your smartphones and your computers. So the pairing is quite as easy as pairing the usual Bluetooth Airpods. So in terms of audio quality, it has a good treble, but the bass is not so good. Consider the price, the audio quality is okay. But these lights while charging annoys me a lot. But consider the price of Airpods 2, that is $200, this product is worth its price of just $10. So overall this is a good Airpod clone. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, I really appreciate it if you could click that subscribe button. So that's it, this is KOSYTB signing off.